Force and Pressure, Class 8th, Chapter 11. Children, in the last video, we have studied about the pressure exerted by liquid and its measurement. Now, in this video, I am continuing the same topic of Chapter 11. Children, you have noticed the wall of the dams. In the pic, they are shown. They are especially thickened and broadened at the base than at the top. This is only done to withstand the huge pressure of water. Water is exerting pressure at the base and on the sides. So to withstand the pressure, the walls of the dams, so they are thickened and broadened at the base. Now, our next topic is consequences of liquid pressure. Means what are the effects of liquid pressure? The first point, we know that the pressure exerted by water in the oceans increases with depth. Very deep down, the pressure is enough to crush the human body, because at depth the pressure is very high, or when we go deep into the water body, then the pressure increases with depth. So that is the reason why deep sea divers wear special suits which can withstand such high pressure and prevent their bodies to crush. Now come to second point. When deep sea fishes are brought up to the surface of sea, when the fisherman caught these fishes and brought them to the surface of the sea, their bodies flow at a very high pressure. At the surface of the sea, the pressure outside suddenly decreases. Due to this difference in pressure, their bodies burst open. Submarines are built of hard, thick sheets of metal to withstand the huge pressure under water. Now, for your information insight, the water of Dead Sea contains much more salt than the water in other seas. Dead Sea is much more salty than other seas, and this denser water exerts a lot of buoyant force, which makes any object easy to float in the Dead Sea. Now think and answer. Why does a block of wood held under water rise to the surface when released? Children, water exerts upward force on the block of wood immersed in it, and this force pushes it to the surface. Second, the pressure of seawater increases with the increase in dash of the sea depth. Answer is depth. DEPTH, depth. Now the third question. At a given depth, a liquid exerts dash pressure in all direction. Answer is equal. Liquid exerts equal pressure in all directions. Now we start next topic, pressure exerted by air. Both air and liquids, they are called fluids, and the fluids exert pressure. Our earth's surface is covered with a thick layer of air called the atmosphere. The air is thick near the surface of earth, and it becomes thinner and thinner as we go higher up. Now in the peak, balloon inflates due to the pressure of air inside it. When we blow balloon, then the balloon inflates because we are blowing air here, and air exerts pressure. Like all gases, air, because it is a mixture of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Air also has weight and hence it exerts pressure. Air has weight, so it exerts pressure. The air in an average living room weighs over 100 kg, just as water pressure is caused by the weight of water. The weight of all the air above the earth exert the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure, children, this is only due to the weight of the air around the earth. The force exerted by the atmosphere on unit area is called atmospheric pressure. What happens when you fill the air in a balloon? The balloon inflates due to the pressure of the air inside it. If you fill too much air in the balloon, then what will happen? The balloon will burst because the pressure on the walls of the balloon will increase beyond which its walls can withstand. Air exerts pressure in both upward and downward direction. Children, we are using air pressure. The pressure of water vapors in a steaming pressure cooker cooks the food faster. Now we will discuss activity 11. The aim of the activity 11 is to show that air exerts pressure in upward direction. For this, materials required: a glass, water, a piece of cardboard. Procedure or method. First of all, take a glass and fill it completely with water as shown in the pic. Now cover it with a thin, smooth piece of cardboard. See that there is no air bubble or space between water surface and cardboard piece. The water must be filled completely. Now keeping the cardboard in position with one hand, invert the glass. Remove your hand gently from the cardboard. Now you have to observe what will happen. Now come to observation. We will see that cardboard piece and water don't fall. Now from this activity we conclude this is because the atmospheric pressure acting upwards is greater than the liquid pressure acting downward. So this shows that air exerts pressure in upward direction. Children, you can try this activity at home also. Children, now see this figure. One person's and the force is exerted by the two elephants. Every person is under a pressure of air equal to the weight of two elephants. Surprisingly, how are we able to stand so much of weight, and why does it not press us down? So this is only due to breathing, which creates air pressure inside our bodies to balance the atmospheric pressure. Now for your more knowledge, come to insight. The pressure exerted by the air on earth and all objects on its surface, this is termed atmospheric pressure. If all air around the earth is weighed, it will be more than 5.6 into 10's power 12 tons. Okay, that is very interesting fact.